Yeah. In my past video, I told you that learning is a kind of process. When you learn the things every day on daily basis, so that you can improve your communication skills. So, my dear friend, the basis of that, I'm also making this video so that you can learn from from this. And the objective is to you have to just improve your communication skills and improve your vocabulary systems. Vocabularies, it is one of the essential part of your life. When you understand the meaning of the vocabularies deeply, the amount of vocabularies which you can understand and which you can use while speaking, because these are the true essential things when you understand. So while doing any kind of business or expressing yourself or telling about anything, any scenario, any presentations or any activities, so that you can speak confidently. When you have certain kind of understanding about the vocabulary, so life become very easy and people will approach you and they will try to learn from you, and you can become leader, or you can become the global leader or best seller, or and like different personality from the market. Because in the crowd you can see so many people are running and walking. You have to identify yourself and you have to run or walk different from them. So I have just understand the importance of the learning vocabularies. So I want you to make you upgrade, and I want to make you enrich. Your information and knowledge should be developed on daily basis. So I have understand, and it is privilege that I'm just communicating with you and delivering my sincere service, which I got from various reputed organizations, and I followed lots of things so that I acquired this importance, unique and special things. I just want to share with you. So please don't forget and keep learning and innovating yourself with new techniques and new ideas. So I have taken the vocabularies, as you can see, its moments. I may, I'm sure that you also know, or you also don't know, or maybe you know. So the meaning of the moments, whenever the things are going great, or you remember a particular time of period, that you remember that situations. So sometimes you shared whenever something happened good with you, so you said that was the moment where I enjoyed my life. This is the one example, and second example is that I can use this moment in my converse in my like while I'm doing conversation with and people or my friends or relatives. So I can say when I was going in Bangalore, so I met different kind of people. So that was the moment, that was the true moment of my life. Or whenever you go or visit or give any kind of interview, so they said, what is the good moment that you remember in your life? So moment means any specific, any particular things that you remember in your life, that whole moments. You can also get example when I was child, at my childhood. So I used to play with my friend, and there I would not have any kind of stress or problem or any worries. So that was the moment which I spent in my childhood. That was completely, truly very helpful for me, and I remember the good moments in from my childhood. So I hope now you understand the meaning of the moments. Anything which is happened with good with you, any sort of period of time where you enjoyed or where you understand, or might be people said this is good moment, no this is not good moment, I don't want to talk with you, or let's see if any moment will come, then I will let you know. Means any good time will come, then I will let you know, I will coordinate with you. I hope you understand the meaning of the moment. Just I have shared with situational based experience, and I also put yourself on those kind of positions so that you can understand well, and you should not forget in your life as long as you go, because these are the true things. Situational based learning are very important, so you can put yourself and you can make a huge and a big change in your life. Second vocabulary is you can take paradigm. It is a kind of like the example, the similar words of these words is example. So paradigm, you can get examples of now I became the paradigm of speaking and doing conversation with you, or I become the good personality where I can teach you with fluently and greatly. So I become the paradigm of your learnings. Or you can take example Mr. Narendra Modi. He become a paradigm of developing India in economical situations, political situations, and cultural situations, because he take care lots of things. He identify good things and take care, and innovating our culture, heritage cultures, and coordinating the relationship of with the foreigner affairs, twisting and making bond of relationship. So he become the paradigm of, in order to give and survive in the world for Indians people. Maybe my sentence is a little complex because I use high terms and high volumes, where I can share my undefeated planning and strategies with you. Uh, with you. So, right, you understand the meaning of the paradigm, how and what you can understand about the paradigm. You become your father is paradigm of your learnings. Here, like I said, your father is paradigm of your learning, means your father is become role model of your learning, because you get the inspirational or you get motivated from your father. So he become the paradigm of you, paradigm of your learnings. I hope this is clear and a concrete sense is making, and I hope you understand the meaning of the paradigm. Well, thank you again. Imperialism. Imperialism, it is a kind of vocabulary that when some when some organization or some one people, organizations, or anyone, they forced to acquired, or they acquired to new policies, or they force their army to acquire or control any kind of area, land, or people, or any kind of natural resources. So that could be imperialism. Imperialism, right? Yes. So imperialism, it is a kind of things like you can see Britishers, they were imperialisms in India, because they wanted to extend their military force, and so that they can acquire all our natural resources on our good things, our heritage India, which they had looted. So they kind of like doing extending their Samraj. In Hindi we call Samraj. They are extending their Samraj or imperialism, so that they can take care economically and climately and physically, every kind of control. So I hope that is making sense, and you must understand the meaning of the imperialism. And second thing is that colonizations, it is same like imperialism. Colonization is also same, to putting various or certain kind of dominating force to take control of any area, any land, or and they colonized the cultures. Britishers, when they came in India, they also they colonized us. They colonize our culture. Means any kind of particular area where the ingenious people are living. Say yes, then they want to colonize those. They want to remove that culture. They want to remove that economical growth, or they want to remove the educational system. So means they are remove all the things, and they take control about all those aspects, so that indigenous people or any particular area or culture should not grow, should not learn. So that is in the colonizations, they take control each and everything, right? I hope you understand. um, Maybe you don't understand, or might be I cannot be able to make sense, but definitely, my dear fans, if you put your certain kind of dedicated ideas, if you put your attention, so definitely you will get to know. And I should also will very delighted that you are learning from my channels, and you are boosting your knowledge and your thoughts, right? So now you can see the culture. The cultures, we are living in Indian culture. So our moms or our old people, they used to wear sari. They used to wear like different kind of ethnic wears. So, and the way we are eating, our belief system, our eatings different. We eat different kind of foods, and our sense or dress codes. And whenever somebody comes in our house, elders, so we touch food or we do namaste, such kind of things called culture. Means in cultural there are many kind of aspects which I have already, which I just shared with you, that belief system, your attitude, your uh, and your dressing sense and code, and many more comes in cultures. And Hindus, they have different cultures, and Christians, they have different cultures, different understanding, different beliefs, and there are lots of religions on the planet. They have different kind of culture and different kind of things to follow. Understand? I hope you perfectly understand the meaning of the movement and paradigm and imperialism and colonizations and culture. Not I'm not saying to only learn these vocabularies. You will be learn automatically, because I'm giving lots of various kind of examples. Through help of the examples and the meaning of the words, it will come in your mind. Ultimately, you can able to speak, and you can share your ideas and thoughts, your point of views, your opinion, wherever you will go in this world. And I'm also ensuring you that you are not only developing the vocabularies, you are not only understanding the meaning of this word. Just whatever I'm saying, you are also understanding that how I am describing that things you will also acquire from your mind. Knowingly or unknowingly, you might know or you might don't know, or then perhaps your knowledge and information would be changed, and you will see like a complete different personality. You will see the change and believe the knowledge. And well, thank you very much for watching. So if you like this video, anything, if you like and understand, you can keep sharing with your friends and family. I will bring such kind of videos, and you can learn from my videos, unmatchable and wonderful. I will create your such kind of personality, so that wherever you visit anywhere, your personality anyone can understand from more than any crowded place. You will separated from any crowded place whenever you visit any kind of place, where public place, family place, or wherever you are visiting in this world. Well, thank you very much. If you like, keep subscribe my channels, and follow, and definitely I will make you rich. I will enrich you lots of information and all. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks you.